Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12X, and today I would like to show you how we can set up screen lock on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now you need to click on passwords and security, choose screen lock and tap on all of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Then wait 5 seconds and click on got it in the pop-up. Now enter your login method and repeat it. When you're ready, just confirm at the bottom right corner. If you wish to add your fingerprint right away, you can do that by choosing add and following the instructions. I will go with cancel though, so now I can click home button, and when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!